Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of list comprehensions. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be writing Python code like a wizard. Ready? Let's go! Alright, so what exactly is a list comprehension? Take this list. List comprehension? Think of it as a compact way to process all the items in a list and return a new list. List comprehension is like streamlining your Python tasks into concise, efficient operations, making your code more elegant and powerful. Here's the basic syntax. Inside the square braces, expression for item in iterable followed by if condition. Pretty neat, right? Here's a breakdown of each component in the list comprehension syntax. Expression is the value or calculation to include in the new list. Item is the current element from the iterable being processed. Iterable is the collection of items being iterated over. Condition is a filter applied to include only elements that meet this criteria in the new list. Together, it means create a new list by applying the expression to each item in the iterable, but only if the condition is true. Now let's see the magic in action. Imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to create a new list with each number doubled. Normally, you would do something like this. Boring. Let's make it fancy with list comprehension. So what's happening here? Here we have created a new list doubled underscore list, where this expression num into 2 doubles each number in the original list numbers. And this expression for num in numbers iterates over each number in the numbers list. Boom! Short and sweet, just like your favorite candy bar. Now let's move to the next level. Say you only want the double numbers that are greater than 5. Normally you would write in this code, I doubled each number in the list numbers and only added it to the doubled list if the result was greater than 5. The list comprehension version simplifies this. Let's see the code. Here I added the if statement num into 2 greater than 5 in the list comprehension after the for loop to filter elements from numbers list. This statement ensures only numbers that satisfy the condition num into 2 greater than 5 are included in the doubled list. Alright, let's get creative. What if you have a list of words and you want to create a list of the first letters of each word, but only if the word starts with a vowel? First, we will define a string named vowels containing all the uppercase and lowercase vowels. Now, using list comprehension to perform the task. Here's what's happening here. First, we iterate through each word in the words list. Then for each word, it checks if its first letter word inside the square braces 0 is in the vowels string. If the first letter is a vowel, it adds it to the first letters list. In summary, this code filters out and prints the first letters of words in words that are vowels. And you have got yourself a list of first letters inside the square braces A, A. It's like picking out only the marshmallows from a bowl of cereal. So there you have it, folks. List comprehensions are your new best friend in Python. Why? Because they make your code cleaner, shorter, and a whole lot more fun to write. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more Python magic. And don't forget to drop your own list comprehension examples in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding and stay magical.